In this video, we will learn the words that starts with letter F. F makes sound. F is for fan. F for fan. F is for fish. F for fish. F is for flower. F for flower. F is for frog. F for frog. F is for fox. F for fox. F is for fly. F for fly. F is for fire. F for fire. F is for fence. F for fence. F is for four. F for four. F is for five. F for five. F is for face. F for face. F is for frog. F for frog. F is for floor. F for floor. F is for fridge. F for fridge. F is for frame. F for frame. F is for family. F for family. F is for friend. F for friend. F is for fat. F for fat. F is for flag. F for flag. F is for food. F for food. F is for fort. F for fort. F is for flute. F for flute. F is for feather. F for feather. F is for fork. F for fork. F is for forest. F for forest. F is for French fries. F for French fries. F is for fields. F for fields. F is for floor. F for floor. F is for funnel. F for funnel. F is for fin. F for fin. F is for finger. F for finger. F is for foot. F for foot. F is for football. F for football. F is for fruits. F for fruits. F is for fig. F for fig. F is for father. F for father. F is for farmer. F for farmer. F is for flamingo. F for flamingo.
Thank you for watching.